Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to embed video here in Canva. Let's begin. Embedding videos is a straightforward process here in Canva that can significantly enhance their effectiveness and engagement. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the design or project that you're working with, or if you haven't already, click on the create a design. In my case, I'm going to be using the YouTube thumbnail because alongside this video that I'm recording, I'm going to upload this to our G Plus YouTube channel. Now, I'm working with this specific file right here, okay? And for you to be able to embed a video, all you have to do is simply, you can go to the upload section. Of course, you can simply click on the videos and upload and drag your media here in Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, and Google Photos, and even on Dropbox. If you have that, all right, you can download that and of course embed it here. Now, another option is go to the apps and click on embed. And these are your options. You can use YouTube. Let me delete that. You can use YouTube, all right? You can use all these options for you. TED, if you wanted. I'm gonna drag it here. And of course, Spotify, if you have that account. Click that in. SoundCloud, if you have. Basically, there's a lot that you can use. Google Maps, Jiffy, and a lot more, all right? Now, you can paste the web link here if you wanted, for example, a specific file in your website. In my case, we have already uploaded the YouTube. Now, I'm a switch really quickly go to our G Labs YouTube channel. If you haven't already, click on the subscribe button so you'll get notifications to our latest content. I'm gonna copy the URL right here. Switch over again to the Canva Embed app right here. Paste the web link. Click add to design. How about we use this instead? What will happen is I'll be forwarded here, and this is basically the Deep Labs YouTube channel. All right. So this is basically how you embed a video here in Canva. I'll click on this right here. And thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.